Hello and welcome back to Daily Planning for Bitcoin and Gold. Today is 5th of February. As we might have expected, another puke and another continuation of momentum down from the highs. And is Bitcoin over? I don't know. I don't really care. Market is market. So let's just make our daily plan. Okay, let's start. So what do we have here? We still have a strong momentum, and we can see it from Monday. Currently today is Thursday. What's our POI for today? Honestly speaking, we're gonna hold our previous POI. We still have a chance to go here. Probably, if by any chance some catalyst from our not not our but US president doing something. I don't know. But for now, my POIs will be our previously daily VWAP, or at the very least, if we were to went back, I want to see some reaction on this particular part, which also aligns with our weekly VWAP later on. Because with our current structure, more or less what I will see later on is our weekly VWAP will perform another slope down. So this is a cascade for me. I don't really want to engage on this particular part, mostly because it's also near the 2024 VA. If you remember, this is our 2024 VA. I'm just gonna extend it. So if that will happen, we're gonna have another POI, and that will be for a reaction. So currently we have lots of short POIs and a little bit of long POI. Okay, so this is previous daily view up, expecting some kind of reaction here. Let me just recolor it. Okay. And this is our previous low before a break structure. So a little bit of support and resistance type of things. Unreliable, actually. But we have a confluence, which is a weekly view up, matching our current higher time frame trend, which is currently downtrend, gaining momentum as well. So we see a lot of big area discrepancy here. For me, this is a big slope. Usually, you don't want to engage in here. If by any chance the PA was like, oops, my bad. You don't want to engage on this particular short if by any chance the PA was like, whoop, whoop, whoop. So lots of heavy candles with supporting volume, that's for sure. Or this kind of grinding pair is getting wiped by a single or several candles less than this particular part. It'll be pretty crazy if all of these grinds were to get wiped by, let's say, 2 30 minutes candle, I guess. They'll be pretty crazy. But unlikely. So let's put that aside and we still play our short continuation on the higher areas, which is not really that high. This 74.3 and this is 75.3. So just as 1000 difference. Okay. And for longs, Actually, I don't really want to execute this because, first of all, it's a possible reversal trades, yes, but it went against higher time frame trend. And second of all, it might not have any reactions, but here we are. Let's just make our plans and wait for something. So, this is our 2024 VA or value area based on our volume profiles. If it were to be made into TPOs or time price opportunity, uh, most of it will be a little bit different, but overall it'll be the same shape. So if it were to drop here, what you want to see is puke and then a quick reaction, and then you want to bid on the retest. So remember, never bid on the first drop because it might not be a reclaim, because this is a very dangerous area. I don't even know if this price would hold. It might just puke until 30k and we don't know. Or it just drop here and somebody claims that, I don't know, Satoshi is dead, I guess, or Trump just said he'll buy Bitcoin and it will go up. I don't know. So let's just stick to our plan, okay? So we have our previously daily VWAP and previous lows that acts with confluence of weekly VWAP for our shorts plan. And we also have 2024 VA as a part of plan to prepare for a long setup. This is a lower probability for me, and this is a more higher probability that the continuation is gonna go. Okay, that's for Bitcoin. And for gold, I took a trade, got stopped out after 2.3 hour. I didn't really know it was that weak, so but it went with my doodles. It's okay. So I'm just gonna delete for a bit. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. So, what do we have here? Obviously, we are still within the no-no zone actually. On the bright side, weekly VWAP will bounce from it. Bad side, we are still within our previous higher time frame market structure break for me. So it looks like a bit of deviation on the structure. Like on the higher time frame, it looks like this, and then a little bit of tap and potentially going lower. So, what are my plans? Actually, I don't really have any plans, to be fair. For me, this is still a wait and see because currently we're on this particular bounce, weekly VWAP bounce, a good sign of momentum from the lows. But we're also starting our day on the downside momentum. We are currently on the downside of daily VWAP. So if you want to go, at the very least, have a daily VWAP, and price must reclaim daily VWAP with momentum and took off. And if the momentum persists, what do you want to see? You want to see something like this size. Oh, oops. Our currently highs get swept and our reaction. That's it. Overall, the plan is still the same. If it continues further, you might want to see a reaction on this particular part. Okay? That's it for today. I hope you enjoy it. See you tomorrow.